Dell G3 15 gaming laptop. I think this one's the 3500. I come down this morning, went to turn it on, dead as a hammer. Wouldn't start, nothing. So I called technical support. And he said, unplug the power and hold the power button down for 20 seconds. And it worked like a charm. So if your G3 15 is dead as a hammer, hold the power button down. Apparently, if you leave the charger plugged in all the time, it thinks it's going to overcharge and it shuts itself off. So unplug the charger, hold the button down for 20 seconds or so, and that may cure your problem.